What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one, especially if you're hungry and looking for some cheap food. This is Uber Eats promo codes for 2023. These are by far the best promo codes that I've managed to find. If you've been looking for promo codes, which I'm sure you have, that's why you've clicked on this video, you already know that they're difficult to find any codes that are worth using, especially if you're an existing customer. Most of the codes are for new customers, and even then they're not very good. You're not going to save a ton of money because it's super expensive by the time you add the fees and what have you. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get the best Uber Eats promo codes, which are going to save you a bunch of money. There's one for $100 account credit, so around 80 Great British pounds if you're in the UK, but these work worldwide. And there is also a 3 food orders for free code. So let's run through these steps, guys. Open up your internet on your mobile phone. I'm sure you all have one if you're looking for Uber Eats codes, because yeah, it's an app. So go to this website, guys, www.hotshotcodes.com. So pause the video, copy this website down. That's essential to go directly to this website. Now you need to just scroll down this page until you find the Uber Eats. It's pretty easy to find, just scroll down. Here we go, Uber Eats. There's a bunch of other stuff on here as well. However, obviously we're interested in Uber Eats here. This has been used a load of times and it's got a pretty high rating, so that means they're pretty verified codes. And here we go. So you can see we have a $100 account credit towards your next orders at Uber Eats. And there is also a get your next free food orders free at Uber Eats. So basically, guys, you just got to calculate which one's going to be more beneficial for you. If you do small food orders, then obviously this one's going to be better. If you do larger orders, that means this free food offer will be better. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, which is the $100 credit towards your next orders. So this basically just adds credit to your account. So let's press show coupon code. $100 off Uber Eats coupon code, verified today. It's been used loads of times. This is pretty popular, and we just need to unlock the code. So let's press that. Unlock now. Takes a few seconds whilst it looks for your code. I've used this a bunch, guys, so it's a really cool method to save yourself some money. Okay, so if you see this page, that's a great sign. That means there's still codes left. We just need to verify that we're not a robot. Basically, this protects the codes and just verifies that you're actually a real person. So we just need to complete 2 of these free surveys. I know it sounds annoying, but it only takes a couple of minutes and we're saving a bunch of money. So I'm going to go ahead, click on this one and just run through the questions. Doesn't really matter what you answer, but this matters. You just have to put in your correct information, guys, because it does also email you the code. So give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and finish 2 of these surveys, entering in my information, and I'll be back once I do that and we'll see if it gives me the code. Boring. So I just finished 2 of these surveys, like I said. I made sure I fully completed them from start to finish to ensure this works first time. If you try and skip these steps, it probably won't work, so just make sure you do those. Now, if you've done them correctly, when you press your tab button on your internet, so obviously on Safari it's down here, but on Android it's probably somewhere different, you should now see this tab open up, which contains your Uber Eats coupon code. So when I enter this into my promotions page on the Uber Eats app, it's going to give me $100, or for me it's about 80 Great British pounds to spend on anything I want across as many orders as I wish. That is how easy it is, guys. You just need to follow these steps and go to www.hotshotcodes.com and get your Uber Eats. There is also the standard Uber app. There's a bunch of stuff on here, so just have a look, see what you like. You just have to scroll down and look for stuff. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys, and enjoy your free Uber Eats food. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.